How to log in Delta Airlines employee account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Delta Airlines employee and need help logging in into the Deltanet, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to show you how to access your employee account, so let's just dive right into the video. First of all, head over and open up a browser and go to the official extranet login page, which is right here. You can just go and type in that and go to delta.com. And once you're in this page, you can look up for this login option right above and a new page will appear. So in order to log in into Delta, you just need to enter up your username, your employee username, and then your password. So what you can do is enter up your SkyMiles number or your username here. After that, your password here, and simply tap on login. Make sure you have got your credentials ready. If you don't have them, you may need to contact your HR department. And after that, if Delta has multi-factor authentication enabled, you'll be prompted to verify your identity, and this could be through a code sent to your phone or an authentication app. Simply follow the prompts to complete the process, and once you are logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard of the Deltanet, where you can access all the tools and resources available to Delta employees. And that is it. Now you're ready to access your Deltanet Extranet account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials, and see you on next time.